This is the first recording going straight off of the inbuilt microphone of my Canon DSLR camera. This is the second recording, talking through the RodeLINK microphone. Everything is now turned on. I've got the Canon recording, I've got my iPhone, GoPro, Canon, Rode mic, Zoom H6, take one. Hey guys, today's video is this mic setup that I'm wearing right now. My good friend gave me this microphone to give a go. So what I wanted to do was record all of this sound and see what comes up in different environments around the house. In particular, here in my little office studio, which is my kitchen as well. And downstairs I have a green screen. And the other cameras are right here. Hey. All right, let's see how we go. So my next test is with the RodeLINK outside in the backyard. Canon setup. I have the ambient sound going, iPhone, GoPro, and my lav mic. That should be on now. So this is the second test. Outside, ambient noise, normal talking. Let's see what that sounds like. Okay, and now I'm downstairs in my little green screen area. And the lighting, I haven't taken much time to set that up either. I've got my iPhone looking at me over here. I've got my Canon looking at me over here. I've got my Zoom H6 in the same position underneath the Canon to get that ambient sound. My Hero 8 up there, GoPro looking at me. I can hear the echo in the room. It's not a studio, it's just walls, it's not insulated. This is the result, talking directly into the RodeLINK mic now. So there's three things. One's upstairs inside my house, and then outside on the back of my vehicle. And then I also have downstairs here in my little studio, which is a bit echoey. So there's three different things we can take in with our ears, see what we think of the sound. I can add that ambient in or take it out. It just depends on what I need for the particular shot. Maybe studio sound where there's no noise whatsoever except my voice coming through would be the best thing for it. But let's give this a shot. I'm gonna go up and edit it now. I'm a little bit excited. Opened up the door to let some light in. I'm making another video and I've just got my Wish stuff that I ordered. This USB light that works. And then I've got reveal. Classic. Yay, they fit. Really lightweight. Yeah, it is my jacket. But that fits too. Got a little hoodie. What do you reckon? Pretty cool. I don't like that pocket there. Go in, they sit like this. They don't sit like that. They sit like that, which is uncomfortable for me. Can't even get my thumb out. So that's just fashion. And there's one on the right side. That's where I prefer it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. One, oh now, excellent. Ah, happy.